he's convinced part of a country that
Good
he
evening,
is
friends.
fit to be
Just
prime
Brent
minister, even though he has
I have put up
no
the
political experience other than his father being prime minister,
wall
and
that
his
we're
actual
looking for
education
some
is in
another dishwasher because we're losing one.
of an award. Shittiest prime minister is definitely one of the awards that he's
So I know
deserving of, but I'd love to know
what
if you guys have
the
any
guy
other
told me
comments for
was
awards that Trudeau
he
could
couldn't
be
take it
eligible
there
for.
anymore.
Let's take a look at him talking to
And
the volunteers.
there's quite a few people that's left for various reasons. Because one was the one that people are an asshole, not naming any names, of course, and there's a whole bunch of others. Other reasons such
belongs in the arts.
You
know what I'm saying?
think
Like
they're
his stance.
better.
And look, that's
Their
not against
way
anyone who
is
stands that way. It's
better
not
as well.
against anyone who
And
is,
quite frankly,
LGBTQ or something. Plus, I mean, he
myself,
just carries
I'm not going to be there much longer either.
Powerful. It's not,
so because,
hey, follow me because I'm a good leader.
First of all,
It's
for the same reasons as I
you
previously
know what I'm
mentioned.
saying? You know what I'm thinking?
Assholes think they're better in this one way, in no other ways. And actually, on my last Sunday shift, the machine, the dishwasher, was acting up, and I got a burnt my arm. I'm not too sure if you can see it. It's still there somewhere. And apparently, one said, asked me if I had any friends that are looking. I'll look into it. So I don't know. Between you and me, I would.